English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills. Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
In a way. Hey Jack, how was your weekend?
Hi Anna, it was good in a way. I went hiking. What about you?
I went to the beach. Why do you say in a way? Didn't you have fun?
I did, but it rained a lot. So I couldn't hike as much as I wanted. It was nice to be in nature though.
I understand. The beach was sunny, but it was very crowded. In a way, it wasn't very relaxing.
Crowds can be tiring. Did you swim?
Yes, I did. The water was warm. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do. Maybe we can go together next time.
That sounds great, Jack. Let's plan for it.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
In a way. Used to show that something is true in one sense but not in another. Example: the movie was scary in a way but also very exciting. To hike. To take a long walk, usually in nature or the countryside. Example: we decided to hike up the mountain this weekend. Though. Used to introduce a fact that makes the main statement surprising or less strong. Example: the weather was cold, though it didn't stop us from going outside.
Watch this video till to the end to improve your English fast.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud.
Hey, Jack, how was your weekend?
Did Anna ask Jack about his weekend? Yes, she did. She asked him about his weekend. Hi, Anna. It was good in a way. I went hiking. What about you? Did Jack say his weekend was good? Yes, he did. He said it was good. Did Jack go fishing? No, he didn't. He didn't go fishing. Where did Jack go? He went hiking.
I went to the beach.
Did Anna go to the beach? Yes, she did. She went to the beach.
Why do you say in a way? Didn't you have fun?
I did, but it rained a lot. So I couldn't hike as much as I wanted. Did Jack hike as much as he wanted? No, he didn't. He didn't hike as much as he wanted. Why Jack couldn't hike as much as he wanted? Because of the rain. He couldn't hike as much as he wanted because it rained. Did it snow during Jack's hike? No, it didn't. It didn't snow during Jack's hike. Did it rain during Jack's hike? Yes, it did. It rained a lot. It was nice to be in nature, though. Was Jack happy to be in nature? Yes, he was. He said it was nice to be in nature. Did Jack say he had fun hiking in a way? Yes, he did. He said he had fun in a way.
I understand. The beach was sunny, but it was very crowded. In a way, it wasn't very relaxing.
Was it cloudy at the beach? No, it wasn't cloudy. How was the weather at the beach? It was sunny at the beach. Was the beach crowded? Yes, it was. It was very crowded. Did Anna find the beach relaxing? No, she didn't. It was crowded and not very relaxing. Crowds can be tiring. Did you swim?
Yes, I did. The water was warm.
Did Anna swim at the beach? Yes, she did. She swam at the beach. Was the water cold? No, it wasn't cold. Was the water too hot? No, it wasn't. The water wasn't too hot. How was the water? The water was warm.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do. Maybe we can go together next time.
That sounds great, Jack. Let's plan for it.
Did Jack say he likes swimming? Yes, he did. He said he likes swimming. Did Jack suggest going skiing together? No, he didn't. He didn't suggest going skiing together. What did Jack suggest doing together? He suggested they go swimming together next time. Did Anna agree to Jack's suggestion? Yes, she did. She agreed to Jack's suggestion. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Hey, Jack, how was your weekend? I went to the beach. Why do you say in a way? Didn't you have fun? I understand. The beach was sunny, but it was very crowded. In a way, it wasn't very relaxing. Yes, I did. The water was warm. Do you like swimming? That sounds great, Jack. Let's plan for it.
Hi, Anna. It was good in a way. I went hiking. What about you? I did, but it rained a lot. So I couldn't hike as much as I wanted. It was nice to be in nature, though. Crowds can be tiring. Did you swim? Yes, I do. Maybe we can go together next time. Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys. Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.